I also love this product very much. Okay, I'll be using this thing. This is called
egg tray.
good. This is called egg tray. Okay, some people say this is called egg case also have. Okay, why do I use egg tray? The reason is because our skin is layer by layer, just like this egg tray itself. Just now we mentioned that in aloe vera, it has a natural ingredient called lignin that can penetrate right to the third layer of our skin. Okay, so by doing this demo, you can see and understand more clearly about it. So this is a very common brand that most people use this to what? Bathe their body.
That one Shokugutsu, is it?
For recording and X-brand.
You say only she can answer.
Actually, I haven't taken a photo. Okay, so this X-brand, I stir it already. So the next one, okay. So that's why you see Forever products all very concentrated. Okay. So here, I also stir it. Okay, this demo, y'all cannot blink your eyes because once you blink, you'll be over very soon. Very soon, okay? So, okay, so firstly, I will pour in this, the one from the X brand. And then next, I pour in this, the one from Forever Living. Okay? Then let's see what happens. You see anything happen?
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
Wow.
It's wet already.
You see this egg tray start to get wet already, right? This one, anything happen?
No.
I pour in this one first,
Yes.
but this one already get wet already.
Mm.
And then sooner or later, it will start to what?
Yeah.
So why I say in aloe vera, the lignin is very important because it penetrates right into the layer of our skin.
Yes.
Aloe vera, when they do repair, they do it immediately. They don't wait. Imagine if you bathe your body, you cannot apply a shower foam and say, hey, faster penetrate. No, right? I mean, after you apply on, the next moment, what, you rinse off already.
Yes.
So sometimes if you bathe, you ask yourself, did you really bathe it very clean or not? No, not exactly. You say, I talk so much already, just started to get wet. Okay? So because of this lignin itself, and that's why when drinking this aloe vera juice, especially for some people with like intestine problem, right? Starting when you drink this, you will experience, wow, how come gastric pain even more serious? Because it repairs your gastric immediately.
Yes.
So that is why like people with skin problem, this bath jelly is very suitable for them. Some people will ask me, what is the difference of this liquid soap and compared to this bath jelly? Bath jelly itself is added in with European herbs, so it can actually help to calm the skin. Okay, so it's good for people with sensitive skin. That's why when I start to use the product, I use this to wash my face also. Then some ladies with like pimples, acne at the back, right, you use this to bathe. It is very, very good. Okay, and also people with water retention. Normally when you bathe your body, do you bathe from head to toe or toe to head? Head to toe, right, that's the standard. But if you really want, and it's good for our cardiovascular, you should bathe from toe to head.
Yes.
The place further away from your heart. So like you want to wash your hand, you don't start like this, you start like this, circular motion. Okay, the furthest away first. Okay, it will actually help to improve on blood circulation. Okay? Oh yeah, still got one more part. Okay. Some people will ask me, sometimes after bathing, right, I still feel a little bit sticky, yeah, still a little bit hot. So I will use this is what? Salt. I use salt to represent our sweat, perspiration. Okay. Check. Can you help me check which one has more salt? This one, okay. You say this one has more salt. The one that has more I put here, the one lesser. Okay. Then I squeeze. Okay, and then. Okay. Okay, I need 2 volunteers to help me to stir this. Who wants to stir? Nobody. Normally I pick guys. Maybe you try. Stir it. Stir until 用手 stir until melt. Okay? Then I'll ask someone to provide tissue for you. There will be people passing you tissue to you. Yeah. Stir until melt, okay? You must stir until it melt. Stir until melt. Yeah. Hey, what happened? You haven't eaten dinner? You see what happened? Sorry, what's your name? Alan. You see, Alan stir this shower foam and then all the salt become one lump like this. But what happened to this lady? You see, when she stir?
She eat dinner already.
She taken dinner. Just joking. Okay. Okay, so what is this thing? This is what we call a soap residue. Normally, where can you find this thing? Inside your bathroom, at the corner, you use your fingernail to scrape off, you can find all these things there already. So sometimes, imagine all this thing is on your body, it will block your pores. So if you use this, the similar type to wash your face, right? You will start to clog your pores also. So that's why problematic skin, they never get to improve. Okay, but whereas for Forever products itself, aloe vera has this ingredient called enzymes. It can break down the dead skin. That is why it can repair. And that's why, like, say some people with like a lot of dead skin, once they start to use the products for a couple of times, right, it will start to repair very fast. Okay, so we have come to almost the end of the few products already. Okay, so after you wash your body, what else do you wash? Where else do you wash? You wash your body, wash your face, really? Hair. Ah, where's your hair? Okay. So this is we have 3 different types of shampoo. The first type is this, what we call as the aloe jojoba, and then the conditioner. Okay. Some people will ask me, how come Forever shampoo and conditioner still separate? Nowadays, people are going for what? 2-in-1, 3-in-1 type of products already. But the same question that I asked to a lot of people who has cars, like Ricky, you drive a car, right? Do you wash your car and polish at the same time? You're like that, wash and polish. Cannot be, right? Definitely.